Welcome to the beautiful dunes of Katwijk, one of the most peaceful and inspiring coastal landscapes in the Netherlands. As we walk through these rolling dunes, we are surrounded by nature's quiet beauty. The wind gently moves through the tall grasses, seabirds soar above, and the distant sound of the North Sea creates a sense of calm and wonder. The Katwijk Dunes are more than just sandhills. They form a unique natural barrier between the sea and the land, protecting the surrounding area while providing a home for countless plants and animals. Throughout the seasons, the landscape changes its colors and character, offering something new to discover every time you visit. Walking here invites us to slow down and appreciate the simple gifts of creation. The vast sky, the fresh sea air, and the endless horizon remind us of the beauty and power of the natural world. For many visitors, the dunes are a place of reflection and peace. Away from the noise of everyday life, this landscape offers a moment to breathe deeply, clear the mind, and reconnect with what truly matters. As the sun shines over the sandy paths and coastal vegetation, we can see how nature works in perfect harmony. Every dune, every flower, and every wave tells a story of resilience and renewal. Whether you come here for a morning walk, a quiet moment of prayer, or simply to enjoy the scenery, the Katwijk Dunes have a special way of touching the heart. Thank you for joining this journey through one of the Netherlands' most beautiful coastal treasures. May the peace of these dunes stay with you long after your walk has ended.